Hello everyone. In this video, you will see how to use a simulation computed on the Ranch render farm without downloading the generated caches. First, you need the project ID of your simulation. You can find it in different spot, your dashboard, Ranch Sync, and the project's emails. Then in Houdini, go to the Ranch Cache node of your simulation and select the Output tab. Turn on the parameter Cache Already on FTP folder and enter the simulation project ID. Create the Ranchecker node or go to the existing one. Select the ROP you want to render or set a new simulation to compute using the previous one. Finally, scroll to Ranch Caches to collect and set the Ranch Cache nodes you want to use. If needed, you have the possibility to set several caches to simulate and to collect. Now your scene is properly set and you can click on Build Archive to generate the VUH. Wait until you see Building Archive 100% written in the Houdini console. Once the process is complete, you can upload the archive. Go to your dashboard and create a new project. Select the Houdini version and the render engine. After that, you can choose the optional rendering parameter, specify frame and resolution. By default, the parameters will be the ROP parameters if you let those fields blank. However, we recommend to send test frames first. Then hit Create button, select the rendering priority and drag and drop the VUH file. That's it. Now you will just have to wait the end of the rendering to see the result. Do not forget to monitor your project with Activity button. Feel free to contact the support if you need any additional information. Thank you for watching.